From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Well, a hot one today with temperatures getting up into the mid-90s across Acadiana, but honestly pretty much what we would expect for the 4th of July. A few pop-up showers and storms through the course of the afternoon, but as expected, bulk of the activity today setting up more so off to our east. Again, a little bit of a disturbance here, and that's been producing some good rainfall across Mississippi and unfortunately the beachgoers in Alabama and Florida. And essentially we're going to be seeing this disturbance kind of swinging around and hovering our coastline over the next couple of days. So that coupled with daytime heating and sufficient low-level moisture should help to give us a better scattering of those showers and thunderstorms. Meanwhile, Power Doppler 3, most of us relatively quiet early this evening. The one lone shower that was in and around Broussard has dissipated, so good news there for the festivities that are going on. Another healthy downpour just north of the Lauraville area. That's continuing to drift off to the north, but outside of that, not much going on, but we'll still maintain about a 10 to 20% rain chance at least through early this evening, but then after sunset, we're looking at a quiet night ahead. Mild conditions, mid-70s for the overnight low. So that's where we'll start our Tuesday. Intervals of clouds and sunshine throughout the day, but notice I think a slightly better coverage of those showers and storms, especially mid-late morning and then into the afternoon time frame. We'll bring rain chances up to around 40%. Still think high temperatures able to climb into the lower 90s. Tomorrow night, Wednesday morning, starting out mid-70s. And then again, I think we'll see another round of scattered showers and storms throughout the day on Wednesday. Rain chances will bring up to around 60 to 70%. Hopefully we're able to lower those rain chances a bit for the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. But overall, very typical July weather pattern here across Acadiana over the next several days. Hurricane Bonnie has been looking pretty impressive in the eastern Pacific today. That's going to continue out into the East Pacific over the next several days, so not going to be a concern for us. Rest of the tropics as we get into the Atlantic Basin looking really good. In fact, we're not expecting new developments, no new developments at least through the next 5 days, but even looking at the long range models, looks like things will stay relatively quiet over the next 1 to 2 weeks. So some good news there. Temperatures will be slow to cool this evening. Eventually we'll be dropping down into the 80s, bottoming out somewhere mid-70s first thing tomorrow morning, and then I still think we're climbing into the lower 90s tomorrow afternoon. Feels like temperatures settling into around the triple-digit territory with, again, random scattering of those showers and storms. Mid-70s tomorrow night heading into Wednesday morning, and then here we go, maybe with a little bit more cloud cover and storm activity on Wednesday. May help to keep our temperatures more so in the 80s. So again, if you are heading out for any of the fireworks shows this evening, temperatures eventually falling down into the 80s, but probably not until closer to sunset time, and that's pretty much where they're going to hover at least through about 10 o'clock this evening. And again, can't totally rule out maybe an isolated storm over the next couple of hours, but rain chances not too terribly high. And heading into tomorrow, again, very typical summertime pattern, hot and humid, lower 90s, 91 for that projected high with scattered showers and storms. Again, mainly mid-morning, mid-late morning, and then into the afternoon time frame. 60 to 70% on the rain chances heading into Wednesday, and then perhaps lowering just a bit for the end of the week and heading into the upcoming weekend. But again, overall, very typical for what we would expect here early and getting closer to mid-July, 30-40% there on the rain chances. Afternoon high temperatures for the most part settling into the lower 90s, unless on one of those days or a couple of those days the storms move in a little bit earlier to kind of keep temperatures maybe in the 80s, and mild and muggy for our overnight lows more so, as we'll see those temperatures settling into the mid-70s.
Here we are settled into the July pattern.
We are. Very routine. It's like clockwork, you know, hot and humid conditions, and hopefully we get a shower to cool us down.
Yeah, chance of rain existing for at least a little while. Keep your rain gear handy
That's
just,
right.
in
Just in
case.
Yes,
Bring
indeed.
it in the building too. I've been having mine left in the car and then get wet on my way back outside.
And meteorologists are known to forget their rain gear, park their cars in flooded areas. You'll see that at the station. So, yeah.
Thank you, Bradley.